It's been an amazing 3 years for Daniil Medvedev. As the 2018 season comes to an end, the young Russian has the tennis world at his feet. He's come a long way since first signing with Technofiber in January 2016, ranked 329 in the world. In 2016, Daniil won the Young Guns contest by breaking into the top 100. The $50,000 prize helped him to finance his next season. Daniil began 2017 by making his maiden ATP World Tour final in Chennai.
By making this final, I gained a lot of experience and I believe in myself more.
Summer 2017 saw a dramatic victory over Stan Wawrinka at Wimbledon. He was now in the world's top 50. Everyone was taking notice. In October 2017, Daniil qualified for the next-gen ATP Finals in Milan, where he reached the semi-final.
I want to play better and better every tournament because it will mean that you made a good year.
After training at the on-the-road camp with Technofiber in December, Daniil began the 2018 season with his maiden title on the ATP World Tour in Sydney.
Of course, I think the first title changes anybody. It meant a lot and I managed to win it, my first title.
In August of 2018, he won his second title in Winston-Salem and kept up his good form by winning his first ATP 500 in Tokyo a few weeks later.
This one is amazing. Coming from qualis, second time of the year, but ATP 500 is definitely a different thing.
Daniil does it in Tokyo.
Very happy about myself and I hope to continue improving this way.
Daniil finished the year strongly by reaching the semi-final in Basel and achieving a career high ranking of number 16 in the world.